Have you ever wondered about the giants of the bird world? These feathered marvels are not only enormous in size, but also rich in fascinating behaviors, adaptations, and rare traits that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. From the massive ostrich sprinting across the savanna to the Andean condor soaring majestically over mountain ranges, these birds showcase the diversity and brilliance of nature. In this video, we'll explore the 10 largest birds in the world, delving into rarely known facts about their lives, habitats, and remarkable abilities. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secrets of these winged wonders that have captivated scientists, nature enthusiasts, and bird lovers alike.
What defines a bird as large?
When we talk about the largest birds, size can mean different things. 1. Height, how tall they stand, especially when upright. 2. Weight, their overall body mass, often related to their flight capability. 3. Wingspan, the width of their outstretched wings, a key factor for flying birds. The birds on this list dominate one or more of these categories, making them true giants of the avian world.
1. Ostrich, Struthiocamelus, the unchallenged giant.
1. Size. The ostrich, native to Africa, stands at a towering 9 feet, 2.7 meters, tall and weighs up to 300 pounds, 136 kilos, making it the largest bird in the world. 2. Rare fact. Despite being flightless, ostriches are speed demons capable of running up to 43 mph, 70 km/h, with strides as long as 12 feet, 3.6 meters. 3. Unique adaptation. Their strong legs are not just for running. They can deliver powerful kicks capable of killing predators like lions. 4. Fun trivia. Ostriches have a 2-toed foot structure, unlike most birds with 3 or 4 toes, designed for maximum speed and balance. 2. Emu, Dromaeus novaehollandii, Australia's gentle giant. 1. Size, standing at 6.5 feet, 2 meters tall, and weighing around 100 pounds, 45 kilograms, emus are the second largest birds in the world. 2. Rare fact. Emus have a unique way of storing fat, allowing them to survive for weeks without food by living off their reserves. 3. Unique trait. Emus are strong swimmers and can cross rivers or lakes in search of food. 4. Amazing insight. During mating season, male emus build large ground nests and take on the sole responsibility of incubating the eggs and raising the chicks. 3. Southern cassowary, Cassowarius, the rainforest warrior. 1. Size, growing up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall and weighing up to 130 pounds, 59 kilos. The cassowary is a true heavyweight. 2. Rare fact. Cassowaries are covered in coarse, hair-like feathers that help them blend seamlessly into the dense rainforest. 3. Unique trait. Known as the most dangerous bird in the world, cassowaries can deliver powerful kicks with their sharp claws, which can grow up to 5 inches, 12 centimeters long. 4. Ecological role. They are crucial seed dispersers for rainforest plants, as they consume fruits and spread seeds over large areas through their droppings. 4. Andean Condor, Vultur gryphus, the king of the skies. 1. Size. With a wingspan of up to 10.5 feet, 3.2 meters, and a weight of around 33 pounds, 15 kg, the Andean Condor is the largest flying bird in the world. 2. Rare fact. These birds can fly over 100 miles, 160 kilometers in a single day, often gliding for hours without flapping their wings. 3. Unique trait. The condor's bald head helps keep it clean after feeding on carrion, reducing the risk of bacterial infections. 4. Cultural significance. Revered in South American cultures, the condor is often considered a symbol of power and freedom. 5. Kori Bustard, Ardiotis kori, the heaviest flying bird. 1. Size, native to Africa, the Kori Bustard can weigh up to 40 pounds, 18 kilos, and stand around 4 feet, 1.2 meters tall. 2. Rare fact. Males perform elaborate courtship displays by inflating their neck sacs and emitting deep, booming calls to attract females. 3. Unique trait. Despite their size, they can fly short distances if necessary, but prefer walking to conserve energy. 4. Ecological insight. They are omnivores, eating everything from insects to small animals and plant seeds, making them versatile feeders.
6. Dalmatian pelican, Pelecanus crispus, the elegant glider. Chapter 1. Size. With a wingspan of up to 11.5 feet, 3.5 meters, the Dalmatian pelican is among the largest flying birds, weighing around 33 pounds, 15 kg. 2. Rare fact. These pelicans use cooperative hunting, where groups work together to herd fish into shallow waters for easier feeding. 3. Unique trait. Their throat pouch, capable of holding over 3 gallons, 13 liters of water, expands during feeding. 4. Amazing behavior. During the breeding season, their normally grayish feathers take on a silvery sheen, adding to their majestic appearance. 7. Greater rhea, Rhea americana, South America's flightless runner. 1. Size. Rheas stand about 5.5 feet, 1.7 meters tall and weigh up to 80 pounds, 36 kilos. 2. Rare fact. Male rheas incubate eggs from multiple females and raise the chicks alone, showcasing exceptional parental care. 3. Unique trait. Rheas are fast runners and can reach speeds of up to 37 miles per mile, 60 km/h, using their large wings for balance while sprinting. 4. Ecological role. They play a key role in maintaining grassland ecosystems by spreading seeds and controlling vegetation. 8. King penguin, Aptenodytes patagonicus, the sub-Antarctic diver. Size. King penguins can reach 3.5 feet, 1.1 meters, in height and weigh around 35 pounds, 16 kilo. 2. Rare fact. They can dive to depths of over 1,000 feet, 300 meters, and remain underwater for up to 10 minutes, hunting fish and squid. 3. Unique trait. Unlike most birds, they have a highly specialized tongue with backward-facing spines to hold slippery prey. 4. Breeding cycle. King penguin chicks take over a year to fledge, relying heavily on their parents during their long developmental period. 9. Northern cassowary, Casuarius unapendiculatus, the lesser-known cassowary. 1. Size. Slightly smaller than its southern cousin, the northern cassowary grows up to 5.5 feet, 1.7 meters, tall and weighs around 120 pounds, 54 kg. 2. Rare fact. These cassowaries are vital for rainforest health, consuming over 150 different types of fruits and dispersing their seeds. 3. Unique trait. They are excellent swimmers, crossing rivers and even small stretches of ocean to reach new habitats. 10. Mute swan, Cygnus olla, graceful yet fierce. 1. Size. Native to Europe, mute swans have a wingspan of up to 8 feet, 2.4 meters, and weigh around 28 pounds, 13 kilos. 2. Rare fact. These birds form monogamous pairs that often last a lifetime, symbolizing love and loyalty. 3. Unique trait. While elegant in appearance, mute swans are highly territorial and can aggressively defend their nesting sites. What makes these birds unique? The size of these birds often gives them distinct survival advantages, from covering vast distances in search of food to deterring predators with their powerful legs or claws. Their fascinating behaviors, such as parental care, unique feeding techniques, and ecological roles, make them integral to the ecosystems they inhabit. Final thoughts. These 10 largest birds in the world are more than just big. They are evolutionary wonders, showcasing the ingenuity of nature. From the deserts of Africa to the icy waters of the Antarctic, each of these birds has a story that highlights the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Which bird on this list amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content about wildlife and nature. Hashtags for YouTube: largest birds, amazing birds, wildlife facts, nature exploration, ad bird lovers, ostrich, / condor, cassowary, penguins, animal kingdom.